Our topic for today is the special product part 3, the sum and difference of two cubes. So this is in the form a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So the binomial is being multiplied to the to a trinomial in which the first element, the first term, is the square of the first term of the binomial. The middle term is the product of the first and the second of the binomial with the negative sign here. This is plus on the binomial a plus b, and this is a squared minus ab. Then the third term, the last term, is the square of the second term of the binomial. So this will result in a cube plus b cube. So this is the sum of two cubes. And the difference of two cubes is in the form a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So take note that this is minus a minus b, and the middle term for the trinomial factor is plus. So, and this is the product of A and B. So, this is not twice the product. This is just the product of A and B, first term and the second term of the trinomial, and this will result into A cube minus B cube. You can summarize this one as A plus or minus B times A squared, and this is the opposite, minus or plus ab plus b squared is equals to a cube plus or minus b cube. Let's have an example. We have here x plus 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 9. Take note that x is squared and 9 is the square of 3. And the middle term is the product of the first term and the second term of the binomial. And this is plus and this is minus. This will result to x cube plus 3 cube. And x cube is x cube and 3 cube is 27. The final answer is x cube plus 27. Another example is 3x plus 4y times 9x squared minus 12xy plus 16y squared. So take note that the first term here is the square of 3x. The middle term is the product of 3x and 4y, 12xy, and this is plus and this is minus. And the last term is the square of 4y, which is 16y squared. And this will result into 3x being cubed plus 4y being cubed, and this is equals to 3x being cubed is 27x cubed, 4y being cubed is 64y cubed. Another example is this one, 2x minus 3 times 4x squared plus 6x plus 9. Take note that 4x squared is the square of 2x and 9 is the square of 3, and 6x is the product of 3 times 2x, and this will result in 2x cubed and 3 cubed. So the final answer is 8x cubed minus 27 because 2x cube is 8x cube, and 3 cube is 27. Another example is 3x minus 2y times 9x squared plus 6xy plus 4y squared. Take note that 9x squared is the square of 3x, and 6xy is the product of 2y and 3x, and 4y squared is the square of 2y squared, and this is minus and this is plus. So this will result in 3 3x cube minus 2y cube, and this is will result, the final answer is 27x cube minus 8y cube. So how to prove this one? That a plus b times a squared minus 2ab plus b squared will result in a cube plus b cube. So multiplying this one to this one, this will result as a times a squared is a cube, a times minus ab is minus a b, a squared b, and a times b squared is ab squared, and this is plus. And for this one, you can interchange this one as a, by commutative property of multiplication, we have a squared times b, can have a squared b plus, and this one b times ab, so this will result in minus, because this is minus a b squared, and lastly b times b squared is b cube, and this is plus. So this one will cancel with this one. This is minus and this is plus, and this one will cancel with this one. A b squared and minus a b squared will cancel, and a squared b minus a squared b plus a squared b will cancel. So final answer is a cube plus b cube. That's the proof.